usually should.
Let's go grab the net.
So I should have some gloves in here, but
I'm over there.
yeah,
Grab
yeah.
Grab them. Me is.
Yeah.
What? Over, you on net?
No,
Okay.
grab my fork. I need the hook outs. Got the hook outs up there. Oh, got them. Cool. All right, there. Yep. Got them? Careful, they're sharp back there. Might want to grab my. Yes.
What is that one called?
What?
That's me.
Rob's hooked up.
Oh, watch out,
Coming
watch
under
out.
the boat.
Get him away from the boat.
Yep.
Check the drag, check the drag. At least he's on a freaking good rod.
Yeah.
Good rod.
Another
Little one?
Yeah, another little one.
Oh,
another.
Well,
What a cute
well
one.
then.
What a cute little fella.
Here, I got the rod. Let me grab it. Fast bass, put him in the boat. Oh, that's smaller.
Bastard. Cut my finger open.
Oh, this one already? Oh, that's a little one.
Another little one?
might be 30s.
Okay, oh, we have a run. We have a run. Grab that rod, reel that up.
Reel it up?
Yep.
Yeah, it's got a little bit there. In the woodcutter, Darren.
Clover, do you want to grab me the, uh-huh?
You know what? So, has me thinking it's not like a monster. I heard something.
Yeah, I heard something back here.
Oh, that seems like, here, I'll get you which.
Chubby, you guys okay up there?
Yep, we're good.
Okay.
Hey, that rod right there.
He's actually a bit more substantial.
Oh yeah. There we go. Oh, that's a good one, Derek. That's a good set.
Do the tarp.
Very nice. Wow. Yeah, yep. I'll throw those.
Basket lift the whole thing.
Yep. Actually, we'll just trim the net.
Oh, I see.
Yep. That way we don't put too much pressure on the hoop.
Yep. Hey. Well, that's definitely a pet person for us. He's got my. Wow.
Nice fish.
Tip of the nose. Nose there. 66 inches.
Nice job.
It's way bigger than our previous. 66.
Outstanding. That's a nice fish.
Beautiful. Yeah, if we can get some good pictures of it.
Yeah, we'll need a bunch here.
This will be perfect. Once, is that mine?
Oh, that was the one we started.
Ready?
Yep.
That's
I
right.
know it's kind of a tall task, but if I get that mouth out.
Because when they measure them in the tournament?
Well, 66 at the tip, that was 61 or 62.
Yeah, that's
That's some years that could be.
Good fish, buddy.
That's awesome.
Good job.
Derek. Wow.
66 incher.
Hopefully that was worth it.
That was
Is that worth?